Alright, hi, I'm back with another video. I already primed my eyelids using the NYX eyeshadow base in white. Today we're going to be using the Subculture by Anastasia, Beverly Hills. I'm not using a big name. I'm using this brush that came with, what is it called? My Urban Decay nude palette. And I'm going to take that brown color and I'm going to pat that right below the crease a little bit. You know, you have hooded eyes, so your crease is like really, really small. But yeah, I'm just going to pat that into there. I'm not going to blend it. I'm just going to pat it into there because I want it to build up, because, you know, this is like a creamy eyeshadow base that we're using. And you just want to use the eyeshadow so that it can, you know, dry it out.
Yeah, you way too fine to waste time. That's why you never on pause when we on FaceTime. And them niggas be mad cause they can't get you. Bitches like, damn, why that nigga even with you? Tell them mind they business, touch they nose. They mad I treat you like a queen and not a hoe. Real niggas do real things. And don't compare me to your ex cause we not the same. Yeah, I got a little more drip with a whole lot of dictate. Way more trips, blow a bag at the strip. And I'ma make it right back. Show you how to get your own, I know you like that. Yeah, you
orangey pinkish shade, and I'm gonna pack it and blend it in with that brown. And like I said plenty of times before, once you apply a second different color to
fine to waste time. That's why you never on pause when we on FaceTime. And them niggas be mad cause they can't get you. Bitches like, damn, why that nigga even with you? Tell them mind they business, touch they nose. They mad I treat you like a queen and not a hoe. Real niggas do real things. And don't compare me to your ex cause we not the same. Yeah, I got a question, do you really fall with me? All my hoes said they really fall with me. Even though they tried, I know they ain't fall with me. I ain't worried about your ex cause he...
Okay, so as you see, I'm going back in with that brown, and I'm patting some more, and then I'm blending it in with that orangey pinky shade. I thought these colors were good because I was doing white, so I was like, since I'm doing a white glitter, let me do like some brown and some peachy looking colors, you know, to keep it formal. I would actually wear this as a wedding look. It was really cute for like a bride. And then, you know, the bridesmaid. But I thought it was cute. You know, it wasn't a lot. It was simple, but it gave it a little pop for those who like a little extra. And then we're going to go back in with that orangey pinky shade. You know, we're just going to keep overlapping the colors just to blend them out. That's all. Like, you don't want to rush these two steps, okay? You rush these two steps, you're going to look like a raccoon. You're going to look like somebody's grandmother. I don't know, but... you just want to keep packing them and blending them into each other. Now I'm taking a Morphe brush. It doesn't have anything on it. It's just a clean brush. And I'm just blending and marrying those two colors together a little bit more, as you can see. Now I'm going to go in with this small, I think it's the small crease brush. It is, yeah. I'm going to use that yellow, and I'm going to keep building that yellow up because you're going to have to build this color up a lot because it's not on the white base. This is on the concealer, so you want this to build. And just blend it in and just blend it out to wherever you have to blend it at. And then I think we're going to go in with a little bit more of the orangey shade. I don't know. I just thought that this was a cute color, and I thought it was a cute color combination. I was going to sell this palette. I mean, not sell it, but do a giveaway on it because I rarely even use it. And I feel like the colors are, I don't know. I don't think they're pigmented enough for me, or I don't know. They just don't pick up as much for me. But, yeah.
Yeah, y'all nigga really from the block, I'ma keep it real, I ain't gon' stop, Keep that shit up on, that's just what I'm going through. Never catch me lacking, cause I know they want you, yeah. Never catch me lacking, cause I know they want you. Say you never catch me lacking, cause I know they want to.
Okay, so as you can see, I went back in with that peachy orange color using the medium blending brush. And I just applied some more and just blended it with the yellow and the brown. Brought it up, brought it down. That rhymed. But now I'm using Juvias Place Magical Concealer in the shade 9. And we're going to cut that crease. We are using the flat cream brush. That's what it's called. Haha, I know the names now. Yeah. And we're just going to cut the crease. You want a little bit of the brown to show, okay? You want it to peek through just a little bit, okay? Just a little bit.
No trust, bitches tripping over niggas that won't show up. She watch a snap every night to see him go up. She like, damn, when this fuck boy gon' grow up. He got you looking for love in all the wrong places. She fell in love, but she feeling like a replacement. Get that boy your problem, but you know he can't take it. Now you fully dressed, but you feeling real naked. All you need is a little bit of love. Post a couple pictures, but they wanna be us. Never get them hoes shit to talk about, cause they gon' talk anyway, them hoes be talking now. I'm a motherfucker, they gon' tell you all type of shit. Same hoes on my phone tryna eat a nigga dick. Same hoes couldn't help when I ain't really high shit.
Alright, so now I'm going in with that Morphe pointed blending crease brush. I'm gonna apply that brown to the outer corners. Okay. Like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and use the base for this glitter. I'm using that white chrome pinkish color. And I don't know, I don't like their, I don't know, I just don't like this palette. So I just use it like a little pointing crease brush, a small precise one, and just patted that color on because that flat brush was not working. And yeah, put that all over the lid or wherever you see concealer at, of course.
Okay, young nigga nervous, that money got me anxious. Please don't have me waiting on that pussy, I ain't patient. Trying to make a living out of ballin' and rapping. Back then, we was on that dime bag trapping. Dreams come true, but it's only one difference. Where I come from, all the dreams go missing. Niggas come back to the hood like they missed it. You was supposed to make it, but you gave up on the mission. Ballin' with my brother, all I ever really wanted. But they took my little nigga, got me out here on my lonely now. Ballin' with some niggas. Trust, yeah. I owe me without the end, this for us. Who the hell am I if I ain't represent the struggle? 3 pops, 2 spoons, tryna whip a triple double. I ain't talking about no dope, bitch, I'm talking beanie weenies. Gotta feed the whole house, my little sister so greedy. Shared houses with the roaches and rats, but it wasn't our fault, the people before us was dirty like that. Mop the floor and wash the dishes, I ain't worried about that. Incense in every room, yeah, you know we got that. Mama struggle, so I gotta get the marble floors. Give her the address to the house and say, girl, it's yours. If she don't.
Alright, so what I'm doing now is applying my Kiss Adhesive Lash Glue. I'm going to place that everywhere. I place that pink, chrome, white color, whatever. And the glitter we're using today is JCat Beauty, Rockin the Night Glitter, and Papaya White, y'all. I'm going to call this look Snowflake Cut Crease, okay, because it had me looking like a little snowflake, okay? I was cute, okay? And I love these glitters. Like, they just, let me stop bragging about these glitters. Y'all know. I'm loving these glitters. I don't think I would use any other glitter unless somebody send me some free glitter, which that ain't gonna happen because ain't nobody watching my fucking page. But yeah, they're just so light. The glitter is very light on the eye, light on the feet, okay, honey, in my Shaw Santiago voice. But yeah, y'all know this by now. I'm just applying the glitter. Next step, I'm going to be doing my wing liner using, I didn't use NYX today, I use Wet n Wild liner. And I'm going to apply my lashes, go into my makeup routine, and look at that glitter. It's so pretty. I'm sized. I'm pressed. But yeah, regular routine. So just watch and jam out to my music.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo, bitch acting like a fan now. Ooh, I know that I'm the man now. Tell them little niggas stand down, cause it could get ugly, I ain't playing now. And I'm switching bitches up like my clothes, yeah. I never ever ever trust a hoe, yeah. And I'm dripping like a faucet, she gon' tell me stop it, I'ma tell that hoe don't go nowhere. Never was the type to fall in love with these bitches, but I be lost in. We can't fall in love, but we be fucking. She asked me why I treat her like nothing. I asked her, did we really have something? If I put my trust in you, then you would go to think a nigga loving you. Then you would tell your friends how I'm fucking you. Please don't tell your friends how I'm fucking you, no. This ain't what I signed up for. I just wanna fuck you like a whore. I just want you dripping out your pores. Please don't stop, baby girl, give me more. Yeah. Give me more. Give me more. Give me more, give me more, give me more. Give me more. Yeah, give me more. Yeah, give me more. Give me more, give me more, give me more. I know it hurt that you in love with a nigga. You don't fuck with me, but you fucking a nigga. And you feel like you stuck with a nigga. Got you looking in my eyes like what's up with you, nigga. Friendly fire, I'm hitting you. And I don't wanna fall in love, I just wanna put some dick in you. And I ain't tryna change you, yeah. Man, I wish you was the same you. Yeah, sucking and fucking and fucking and sucking, no loving. When you fell in love, you started bugging. And when you caught them feelings, you was tripping. Never trip out on these bitches. You feel entitled cause I'm fucking you good. Nasty as it get, ain't no filter in the hood. Sucking on that pussy like I need something, yeah. Baby girl, I don't need nothing, yeah. Just give me more, give me more, give me more. Give me more, give me more, give me more. Give me more, give me more, give me more. Give me more, give me more. Give me more, give me more, give me more. Just give me more, give me more, give me more. Give me more, give me more, give me more.
Okay, so I actually recorded this video before work, so I was rushing and I kind of messed up my foundation routine, but it actually came out okay. Right here I'm just using Sephora's longing lash mascara, whatever, I don't know. But I kind of highlighted my face before I even put my Milk of Magnesia on, but I did use what is it? I did use face primer. I used Smashbox. I said Smashbox. Smashbox? Yeah, Smashbox primer all over my face that day because I just kind of wanted a little bit more protection, even though the Milk of Magnesia does well. I just wanted to put that on there, and then I went ahead and highlighted my face, as you can see, and I'm setting it with my Sephora highlight and contour, using my eye bullet for Morphe. And right now, I'm kind of just shaking my head because I forgot to use my Milk of Magnesia. So what I did was, I placed my Milk of Magnesia everywhere that I didn't highlight. Okay, so yeah, on the area where most of my acne and my insecurities show. Right there, I'm just baking with my Sacha Cosmetics setting powder. And I mean, it actually turned out good this way, but you know, y'all know that's not my normal routine. Y'all know that's not how I get down. But I was rushing, and I'm really mad because I left out the house without recording after look of how it all looks. So you will see a clip of me in the bathroom at work with my cell phone ring light on my phone trying to record, which is horrible. Horrible. This has got to be my second worst video I put on YouTube. But thanks for watching.